Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to edit videos in CapCut. I'm using CapCut for PC, and anyway I think CapCut is one of the best apps because we can do everything with editing videos in one app. So how to use CapCut to create videos easily for starting with just for fun. You can open after you download the CapCut apps, and then you can click import or add your videos, photos, or audios that you want to edit. For example, just click import and then just click, just drag here or make a clip like this. And here you can check out the preview panel and then timeline here. And you can also check out the toolbar picture here. Then you can split the clip, for example, and then you can delete the clip, and you can freeze, reverse, mirror, rotate, crop, and this the aspect ratio option. You can change the aspect ratio by click this icon, and then you can add audio, text, sticker, effect, transition, and you can adjust for the scale, add or fill the background, and you can also adjust for a volume, just for the velocity, add animation, and many more you can getting from CapCut. And after you finish editing the video, you can click the export button in the top right corner, and you can also adjust for the resolution, frame rate, and etc. Just click export for save. Okay, that's how to edit videos on CapCut. I think this video is especially for those of you who are using CapCut for videos editing for the first time. So if you find it useful, don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe, and you can click the button for update. Bye bye.